Everyone, this is JP. In this video we will see how you can build your websites or rebuild your websites as marketing engines. You may be thinking this guy is kidding. No. Imagine Amazon is a business and it is predominantly a website. So can you build your business or a part of your business transacted through your website? Yes, you can. We will see how you can do that. So predominantly I classify as two types. One, there are information websites, or it may be called in different names like static websites and so on. The second one is the conversion focused websites, where you have build some functionality in your website. In the first type, information website, it just remains only as an information brochure or a document, right? People come, browse, they move on, right? It just shares some information. Whereas in the conversion focused website, you should prompt or ask your potential audience or the visitor to take some action. So it may be an awareness, it may be a confidence building actions, or it may be, if you are selling any products through your website, it may be buying a product, depending on what stage the customer is in your buying cycle or customer journey. So we will see three things using which you can build your website as a marketing engine. First one is call to action. The first aspect of conversion focused websites is that you should ask your visitor who is a potential customer to take an action, maybe to educate him or to build confidence or to take it to the next stage wherever he is currently in. So these are all some of the tools or examples of call to action. For example, download guide. Okay, download a guide or an information, or it could be an ebook. Take an assessment. If you are in a business, for example, if you are into financial services, you can ask your visitor to take a free assessment so that he knows whether he is what stage he is in. So this will be a giveaway from your side, and if he is convinced, probably you can ask him to schedule a meeting and give a provision for that. Similarly, consult us and also buy now. It's a next level of stage, and also if you're selling any products. Next one, you have to have confidence building elements. What are confidence building elements? So these are all elements which help your visitor to build confidence on the services or the products you offer, and then move him to the next stage of his journey. Could be qualifications if you are a consultant, could be certification, for example ISO certification, so digital marketing certifications, and if you are a doctor or a dentist, and whatever the advanced degrees you have done, depending on the profession and also the business. Testimonials. So this comes very crucial and can help your visitor or potential audience to move towards buying from you. There are very good chances, if you have good testimonials, the next step where the visitor moves is looking at the pricing, or he start talking about you about pricing in buying a product. Social proof. Here you can have your social media links so that he can go and visit, and if you have any your customer testimonials listed there. Next one, you need to have helpful content as giveaways. Probably this may vary depending on the business and also website you are in, but as an example, you can look at do it yourself guides, assessments, ebooks, or some of the, if you are a consultant, you can look at giving a free consultation as a giveaway, and so on. So this definitely helps to build a stickiness with your customer, and it helps you to sell without selling, okay, and helps you to gradually build confidence and move towards selling cycles. Please do check whether your website has all these details, and also share this video with your entrepreneur friends so that they can also have all these components built into their websites. See you in the next video. Thank you.